Dear students, I am going to start the program number 5 explanation. The program number 5 tells that design, develop and implement a C or Java program to generate the machine code using triples for the statement A is equal to minus B into C plus D, whose intermediate code in the 3 address form, that is T1 equal to minus B1 minus B, T2 equal to C plus D and T3 equal to T1 into T2 and A equal to T3. So these things are called intermediate code for these triples. A triple statement is A equal to minus B into C plus D. So it should be executed in the triple statement. So what we do here, first of all, we can take T1 equal to minus B. Now, as in the microprocessor assembly language, you might have studied this one, how to execute T1 equal to minus B through register. So, first of all, we load minus B value into register R0. Then R0 will be stored in content of R0 will be stored in the temporary variable T1. So after doing this, the first statement T1 equal to minus B is executed. Now the second statement we have to execute is T equal to C plus D. This is how we are going to execute. To execute T2 equal to C plus D, first of all we move or load C value to the register R0. Then we add the value of D to the content of register R0, because in R0 value of C is stored. So here C and D are added. Now addition of C and D are stored in R0. Now we can move the content of R0 to the temporary variable T2. So here T2 will contain the value of C plus D. Next one is third statement is T3 equal to T1 into T2. Now how we are going to execute? So in this one we load the contents of T1 to the register R0. Then we will multiply the content of temporary variable T2 to the content of R0. And next we move the content of register R0 to the temporary variable T3. So this is it. Now the third statement, which is A equal to T3, we have to execute. How we are going to execute it? So similarly, we will move the content of T3 to the register R0 and we will store the value of register R0 into the variable A. So like that we can get our output. All the value of right hand side will be stored in A. Now let us go to the program. Now I will go to the program 5.c. So here you can see that some header file I have included, hash include video.h, hash include stdlead.hp type and conio dot. And here some string I have defined op2 argument 1 argument 2 result, because so many variables value we have to store in the string. Then void main, and we have defined a two file pointer, because input we have to give from file and the output should be stored in the file f2. So here first file f1 will be open in the read mode, and name of the f1 I have given input.txt. So I'll open in the read mode, and output.txt I have opened in the write mode. So while end of the file fp1 will process, and result argument 1 operator and argument 2. This is how the data should be stored. So if the operator is plus, what we are going to do, we are going to move the value of r1 argument 1 to register r0, as we discussed here, as we discussed in the ppt. If c plus d, t2 equal to c plus d, so c, value of c will be stored in r0, then value of d will be added to r0, and value of r0 will be stored in the t2. Like that only we are going to do it here. So value of argument 1, that means b value, will be loaded to r0. Then value of argument 2 will be added to r0, and result of r0 will be stored in result variable. Content of r0 will be stored in the result. Similarly, next, if into is there, then value of argument 1 will be moved or loaded to r0, and value of argument 2 should be multiplied with the content of r0, and result of r0 will be stored, the content of r0 will be stored in result. Next, if minus operation is there, if the operator is minus, then value of argument 1 will be loaded to r0, and value of argument 2 will be subtracted from r0, content of r0, and the subtraction, now content of r0 will be stored in result variable. Now similarly, if a division is there, then value of argument 1 is stored in r0, and value of argument 2 will be divided with content of r0, and the content of r0 will be stored in result. If the operator is equal to, then argument 1, value of argument 1 will be loaded to r0, and content of r0 will be stored in result. Like that, and the program will be executed according to the triple code. And here now we are going to close file f1 and file f2 get ch. Now we can go to the, we can compile the program, and we can see the input. What are the input? What are the content of input? Content of input will be our intermediate code t1 minus b equal to question mark